Number 13. At a restaurant, n cups of tea are made by adding tea bags to hot water. If t equals n plus 2, how many additional tea bags are needed to make each additional cup of tea? Now this one might be a little confusing, but all it's asking for is basically the relationship between n and t. If n goes up by 1, how much does t go up by? So if we have, let's start with column of n. If n equals 5, say we wanted to make 5 cups of tea. So then how many tea bags do we need? So to get t, that's just n plus 2. So that means we need 7 tea bags. If we want to add just one more, if we want to make one more cup of tea, that means 6 plus 2 tea bags, which means 8. So when n goes up by 1, t also goes up by 1. How many additional tea bags are needed? Just one. Option B.